Hello students, good morning to all. Today we are going to see the last point in the sixth chapter. So let us see which is this point. Agriculture productivity in India. Today we have to see this point. If we see the definition of agricultural productivity is nothing but the level of agriculture defines as the amount of crops production in per hectare land. How whatever the amount get produced is produced uh, in per hectare land, that is called as productivity level of agriculture. If we put it into the formula, then it is like this: total agricultural crop production divided by total land area. Suppose 5 acre land is there, and we have produced 10 tons of 10 tons of crop, or 10 tons of production. Then 2 ton per acre or per hectare is the productivity of that particular region. So this is the formula of agricultural productivity. Productivity level in Indian agriculture is very low as compared to the productivity levels of other countries. In terms of global rank, the productivity levels of India in major agriculture crop is very disappointing. As we know that we are an agrarian country, and we are taking too much efforts for the production or more production, but due to the various causes there is a problem in the agricultural productivity, and whatever the agriculture productivity today we have, that is really disappointing. India being one of the largest producer of most of the agricultural crops, grains as well as non-food grains, but ranks are very low in terms of productivity. India is the second largest producer of rice and wheat in the world, but in terms of productivity, the and ranks are 38 respectively. Why it is so? Because our productivity is less as compared to the another countries. If we see the productivity of Philippines, Malaysia with respect to the rice, then they are too much having higher productivity. In respect with regards to the wheat, the productivity of Ukraine, Russia, USA, and other countries having more, and that's why their agricultural productivity is high. India is the largest producer of pulses, but it is only 138 in the world. Thus, after the tremendous effect of green revolution, productivity yield per hectare has not improved much. What it indicates? It indicates that we are producing large amount, production, but our productivity is less. Despite high levels of production, agricultural yield in India is lower than other large producing countries. Yield is the quantity of the crop produced on 1 unit of land. Agricultural yield of food grains has increased by more than 4 times since 1950-51 and was 2070 kilogram per hectare in 2014-15. In 2014-15, it is increased up to 2070 or 2070 kilogram per hectare. So it is really increased, but in the production, overall production, we are lagging behind. Total production of food grain increased from 51 million tons in 1950-51 to 52 million tons in 2015-16. According to the second advance estimate by the Ministry of Agriculture, food grain production is estimated to be 272 million tons in 2016 and 17. The production of wheat and rice took off after the Green Revolution in 1960, and is as of 2015-16, wheat and rice accounted for 78% of the food grains production in the country. Overall production is increased, but per hectare production is not increased. What it indicates? It indicates that there is a problem in this regard. Agricultural production shown here over here with the help of graph in million tons, and the source of this is Ministry of Agriculture, PRS. From 1951, how it is increased 20 million ton, it is of rice, blue line showing or indicating the production of rice. From 20 million tons, it increased up to the 100 million tons in 2015-16. Same way, wheat, pulses and oilseeds are shown over here, and uh, even wheat is increased from zero, not zero actually, more than zero, zero more than zero to uh, 80, 90 million tons in 2015-16. There is also increase in the oil seeds, and there is, up to some extent, there is also increase in the pulses. This is actually the overall production, but in the agricultural production or overall production, in the per hectare production, there is no increase in the agricultural productivity. So why this agricultural productivity is less in the India, we have to see. First, an important cause is there, rural environment. Rural environment in the sense, whenever there is a rural environment, there is lack of facilities, as like a transportation, electricity, availability of water, availability of market, and many more. So that rural environment become a barrier in the productivity. And if all these facilities are available, then it makes easy to increase the productivity. Next is high land man ratio. We know that we are getting our land or getting our property from our ancestors, and day by day the population is increasing, and which makes the pieces of land, and that pieces of land makes the high land man ratio. The land is less and man ratio is high, so that there is a low productivity. Nowadays, next factor is degradation of land. Degradation of land. Nowadays, soil get eroded. Various chemicals and all other fertilizers are used uh, at extreme level, and which makes the degradation of land, and that's why productivity is not increasing. Existence of big farmer is too much less, means they are no not a big number, not in a big number, means all the farmers are in the at the marginal level, or some farmers having small land holding, and that's why that makes the problem. Irregular and inadequate credit and marketing facilities. Once the farmer wants to do the farming, he requires a money, he requires a fund, and there his financial condition is not too much good to get the credit from the banks or the society and credit society, and at the same time he have no any type of facilities, marketing facilities to sell his produce, sell his production in the market. That's why it makes the problem. And the last one is lack of modern technology. As compared to the advanced and developed countries, we have very less technology with us, particularly in the field of agriculture. And use of machinery, use of hybrid seeds, HYV, high hybrid high yield variety seeds, HYV, high yield variety seeds, new inventions, new techniques, soil testing, other technologies like spray, drip irrigation, foggers. Everything is lagging in the field of agriculture, and which makes the problem in the productivity. So this is all about the lower productivity of agriculture in India. So today we stop here. Thank you very much.